September 29th. Been gone for like 4 days or 5. So today is Sunday. Was gone. I left on Tuesday night. I mowed this. So it's been 6 days since I mowed this. Last time I mowed this grass, it was at 0.3. The lawn looks like crap, so I'm not gonna lie. Lots of Tenacity bleaching, lots and lots of it. So I did the application of Tenacity, over a week or so ago. And look at all the bleaching I've got. It looks like crap. POA A, POA P, POA something, I don't know, but we got some issues going on. So I woke up this morning to that Ryan Knorr trashing me. And that guy needs to go away. I about had enough of him. Feels good to be back on the lawn though, because I've been gone. Went on vacation for 4 or 5 days. We went to Lake Powell. That was a fun place to go. Rented that boat over there and took her down there. Man, we had a awesome family vacation down there. So,
but as you can see, the 0.03 lawn job, it's coming along, and I'm really liking the thing. So the man, the myth, the legend, don't use that.
So that's what she said, guys. I don't know how to decipher that. I'm not exactly sure if we need a decoder pen or whatever to get through to that, but maybe I'll figure it out later tonight with the decoder pen. It's crazy being away from the lawn for 4 days or 5 days. It's been about 5 days. I come back and just to see what's going on. Look, these leaves have turned color. These were green, I'm pretty sure. They are now red. So these have turned color here. All of my autumn blaze maple trees have turned this beautiful autumn red color. They're not quite there yet, but they're turning. They go red. They look red to me, but I don't know. So look at the difference here. Here, the lawn was cut last time at 5/8 of an inch, almost a week ago. And over there, it was cut at, 0.3? Look how much greener this is than that. That's just too short. I cannot be going down that low. I did want to see what it looked like, but all my foliage has been cut off. This looks much better, deeper green color than that. But that's way funner to work on because cutting low is much more enjoyable than leaving it tall. There's a report, guys. Doesn't look like much has changed. These thin areas, I don't know if I'm going to get any more out of those thin areas for the rest of the year. Probably not going to grow in. Probably going to have to wait till next year for those things to fill in. This section here doesn't look like it filled in at all. I did put some seed down. Lots of these grew up. That's pretty dang awesome. Love that one right there. So pretty, so pretty, so pretty. Love the dahlias. They are so fun to grow. Anyways, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.